Hello YouTubers, welcome to another DVD unboxing. This is Rodolfo of the Wolf-dolfo channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of this 2-season gift set of Spongebob, the first and second seasons. Now, I already have both of these on DVD, but I decided to get new copies because the previous, the ones I have right now are scratched. Sorry, still have the hiccups. Now let's take a look at here's the spine. Here's the back. See where it all began. These are the moments that turned SpongeBob from a cartoon into a worldwide phenomenon. Meet Bikini Bottom's denizens of the deep, learn the technique to blow the perfect bubble, sing the fun song, and ride the hooks, turn a gum wrapper into a gold mine of entertainment, and so much more. And for Season 2, the nautical nonsense continues. Dive into episodes featuring Bubble Buddy, Wormy, Clamu, Frankendoodle, and memorable moments like selling Pretty Patties, the 21st annual Fry Cook Games, Patrick's Secret Box, and performing at the Bubble Bowl, and oceans more. Now let's unbox this. I think the discs are individually, shrink wrapped. I have to take a look. I mean the cases of we have both seasons on DVD here, so yep, here's the back, and you can pause the video to read the episode list, and there's the special features. Alright, and let's open this up. Well, this is an issue, but I shouldn't worry. I can just put this back on. So again, you can pause the video to look at this. Okay, here's disc 1, disc 2, and disc 3. And now let's open up the other one. And this Season 2. I think I might as well get, new copies of Seasons 3 and 4 as well. Hold on. I gotta get this. Gotta get something out of the way here. Sorry, I still have the hiccups. Okay, here's the spine. Well, here's the spine, and I forgot to show you the spine from here, from this disc here. Now, let's open it. Let's see what we have inside, which I already know what's inside. Again, the same problem, but at least the discs aren't scratched. Well, one of the reasons I bought new copies of these is because for Season 2, one of these is broken. Besides the fact that the discs were probably scratched. Well, here's disc 1, disc 2, and disc 3. Well, at least it wasn't broken. Well, YouTubers, that's all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and have a good night.